You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French politician. If you want to learn more confusing names from France, including French politics, make sure to stay tuned to the channel to the end of the video. So let's get to it. The French pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in France, it's pronounced as Yaël Braun-Pivet. Yaël Braun-Pivet. In English you can say it as Yaël Braun-Pivet. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.